All right, so here is a video for solving the following linear equation. This is problem 2 from your work. All right, so we have 8p plus 3, parenthesis 12 minus 7p, parenthesis equal to 49. All right, so you'll see on the screen we already have our please don't call after midnight. So prepare, distribute, combine like terms, move variables, add or subtract, multiply. So we are always going to start with our prepare. First thing I'm going to do is actually rewrite problems so I get more space to work. So 8p plus 3, 12 minus 7p equals 49. So to prepare, okay, I'm going to do a couple of things. The first thing I want to do is actually draw a line right down my equal sign. I want everything to line up. Right. Second thing I want to do is change any minuses to a plus negative. Right. So I'm looking through, and we do have one right here that will become a plus negative. Then I'm going to look and see if there are any variables with missing numbers, which we do not have in this particular problem. So we have done our job preparing, and now we can move on to distributing. So we will take whatever is right outside the parentheses and bring it in to through the parentheses. So we have our 3. So 3 times 12, all right, is going to be positive 36. And then we're going to do 3 times plus negative 7p, which is going to give us a plus negative 21p. Right, and that is equal to 49. We haven't touched that side of the equation yet, so we're good right there. All right. Next, we need to combine like terms. So I need to find which terms I need to combine. Remember, we're only combining and adding like terms on the same side only. All right. And the two terms that we can combine here are 8p and plus minus 21p. All right. So when we bring those two together, we got 36 plus minus 13p, which is equal to 49. All right. So the 8p plus negative 21p is going to give us a plus minus 13p. All right. So I have combined like terms. Now I need to move variables. All right. So in this instance, are the variables on both sides? Move the smaller variable to the other side. That doesn't need to happen here. The negative 13p is by itself. What we will need to do is add or subtract the constant away from the variable below, which in this instance is our 36. So we are going to subtract 36 from both sides. All right. And we will be left with 13 over here. That cancels out. All right. And then, last but not least, we need to multiply or divide the coefficient in front of the variable. So we need to divide, right, because this is multiplication going on right here, each side by negative 13. You got to make sure that you bring it over that negative because we want to cancel that out. So P is going to be equal to negative 1. All right. So there you have how to work problem 2.